Hey there, I have 3 campers that fold and give you more space than you could imagine.
The Taxa Mantis Camper, big brother to the Taxa Cricket. Do insects have brothers? This remarkable camper has a lot going for it, not the least of which is the innovative design, complete with a pop-up roof that gives you lots of space inside, even a shower. Yet this won't drag on your SUV going down the road, and it'll fit in your garage. It's worth looking at the layout if you're in the market for a premium camper. Take some time imagining it all, because it's a real study in how to build a hangout space, both inside and around the camper. Places to sleep turn into places to lounge. Storage containers can be easily moved where you need them and function as seats. It's built out of aluminum, both the framing and the panels. It's going to be rugged and generally last forever. It's also designed to handle a wide range of terrains and environments, with features like off-road tires, a rugged aluminum frame, and a torsion axle suspension. This makes it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who want to take their adventure off the beaten path. Plus, its futuristic space station design is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Some similar campers are the Scamp 13, a fiberglass egg that'll last forever. The Axle Camp Javelin, something that I build. And the Meerkat, with a clever little hatch in the front that lets you stand. Also the New Camp 320, a miniature full-size camper.
The Aliner Scout is another amazing effort to solve the considerable design compromises needed for any small camper. You want to fit it in your garage, tow easily behind your car. The old solution was the tent pop-up, you know, those blocky things with tiny tires. But I get the feeling that people want more privacy, or they're concerned about the difficulties with keeping the tent part in good shape. You've got to make sure it stays dry, or maybe people are worried about bears in the night. The Aliner solves these problems by being hard-sided and offering truly excellent light and space inside. Plenty of room to stand up. It sleeps 3, but there are a lot of other models available, some of which have bathroom facilities. Of course, there's always a catch. In this case, the catch is, it's more complicated to set up, and it's a complex system that has to be really well designed to prevent leaks. Of course, it's nowhere near as complex as the Trailmanner, which looks like a transformer. The Aliner Scout is only 57 inches high, and it's light at 1,800 pounds. It's an amazing home away from home that won't slow you down or force you to get a big truck. Check out their full line, which offers a lot of variations in the floor plans and features. I've reviewed a number of other small campers that work hard to give you more and less space, so check out my channel at Axle Camp YouTube.
The Taxa Cricket Camper. The entire Taxa line is what you'd get if you built a spaceship and put it on wheels and towed it with your car. And that's not a coincidence, since they were designed by a NASA architect. There's no arguing with the construction techniques, since the campers are built of aluminum and they'll certainly last a very long time. The pop-up roof is a common element with these campers, and it means you can have stand-up comfort without towing a hulking camper behind your car. It also means you can put it away in your garage. If you're going someplace cold, the camper can be used buttoned up. The Taxa Cricket is designed to be modular, with a variety of interchangeable components and accessories that allow you to customize the camper to your needs. The interior is spacious and well designed, with a comfortable bed and plenty of storage space for gear and supplies. The slide-out kitchen makes meal preparation easy and convenient, while the fold-down table provides a place to eat and work. So, what's the price of this durability and design? Well, the price is the price. It's not cheap. There, I've said it. So, if you want a top-of-the-line small camper and money is no object, this is one of your solid choices, the other being something from Airstream or maybe Oliver. But those campers are larger and more geared toward living inside them. The Cricket is designed to take you out into nature. Check out more reviews at my Axle Camp channel at YouTube. Some similar campers are the Axle Camp Arrow, a camper I build with a lot of storage. The Boreas XT, a really rugged, heavy-duty suspension camper. The Escapade, another really tough camper with a fiberglass shell.